Say morning, Philip.
Morning, Philip.
I don't know where yesterday went. We went to Volcano Bay. I had too much sun, burnt raw. Had a shower, lay on the bed, and I fell asleep until 11 PM. So we kind of didn't do anything. So I had a packet of Reese's for tea. So I'm a bit like lacklustre this morning, need some energy, but we've got up really early. Well, not as early as we wanted to come to Hollywood Studios for Slinky Dog for the rope drop, but it's like 9 o'clock now, so I think we missed it. But we'll see what time we can get on. But we're just walking now to the studios. But look, they have got all of the, what are they called?
Are they calling them gondolas?
Yeah, the sky gondolas. They're all there wrapped up in white, so you can't see what they actually look like underneath. And it looks like a row of Chinese lanterns ready to go up to the sky. So there you have the actual gondola station. And there you have all the gondolas in the sky, hanging like Chinese lanterns. Isn't that amazing?
I have a what?
I'll probably go like this, okay? There we go.
Barking up the right tree. Here we go.
No, not today. They're on the very back as well.
Fastest ride in the wilderness! Okay.
I'll try and keep it steady. I know. Good job, huh? That's a good thing. Uh-oh. Who said we went backwards?
You did.
Here we go.
Look at Star Wars! We can see Star Wars! Woo! Look at that, baby! Oh, now we're up and down! And up and down! And that was a 50-minute wait.
50-minute wait, but it says 75, so don't be put off by the long wait time. That was good, yeah. See you soon.
Anyone? Anyone? Of course, it's been stuffed for years. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Right this way to Toy Story Midway Mania. It's a ride that's a game. It's a game that's a ride. Step right up and see what's inside.
Now, I never believe in gloating. I don't believe in sore losers. But who got 150 pounds and who got 144?
I might have come just slightly below the winner.
Loser!
And I did try really hard. This one does drive me nuts.
Loser! I wouldn't like to rub it in. Much. You got to, haven't you, when you win something, you just gotta. Not that I'm at all competitive, you know. Not at all. So long. So long, Woody, so long. So then, we didn't get here for rope drop because some of us had a lie-in. It's now 12:30. So far we managed to do Slinky Dog, Toy Story Mania. We've gone and bought pins, we've had a Starbucks and we've had breakfast. So you can do it, but get here as soon as you can. So now, we're actually going to get out of the sun for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And we're going to go and watch the Aladdin preview. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about this film, you know.
Yeah. I think it'll be magical.
I think it'll be very magical. So come on, let's go and see. And at the start of it is WALT stream. Sorry. But they cut all of this down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What did you think of that?
Fabulous. Very good.
I kept sitting there thinking, we'll see that more than once. That was amazing, wasn't it? That was like the old Aladdin that we used to watch with the kids.
Yeah, that was amazing. What a sneak peek. Yeah, very good.
Love that. Right, on we go. So we are just coming out of Hollywood Studios and we can actually see the back. This is the back of Galaxy Edge coming out of Hollywood Studios. So you can actually see the back of the park. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't believe August the 29th we're going to be in front and not at the back. Oh my word, it's going to be a crazy day. It is actually going to be manic. That is exactly what it's going to be, is manic. There's going to be that many people because you've got all your Disney fans, you've got all your Star Wars fans. I mean, it is going to be a crazy time. I don't know how many memory cards I'm going to get through on that trip. But look, there you go.
It looks like we're going to the building site, but we're actually
driving to
Epcot from Hollywood Studios, and this is the way it's directed.
Look at how it's stood up. But I'm guessing from the front, you can't see these metal bits here. I bet that's all hidden. So yeah. So we're now on our way to Epcot to meet Beth and Johnny. Excited, I've got some pins in my bag to open. Oh God, I'm so red. It's that hot today. I think we might get a bit of rain though. I have still got my plastic max because I've got a feeling. I have a feeling, ooh, ooh, that tonight's gonna be a wet one. Should see his face.